Hi guys, so today I'm making a different video, and it's gonna be a video of the house that we live in and everything that we've done so far and how it looks, what we've put in it. So when we first came to the house, when we bought it, we didn't know that we were gonna be living in it, but some things changed that it ended up we had to come live here. So we did, and then we had this house had a pool. It has a pool, and it had palm trees in the back where the pool is, in the backyard. But those palm trees, I don't know if you know, but palm trees have really big roots and they go really deep and they go everywhere. And they were breaking the pipes in the pool, and they were making leaks. Well, just one. They made one, and that was enough for us to find out, you know what, we gotta get rid of these palm trees. They're gonna be giving us problems. So we got rid of them. And we also had AC problems. It gets really hot in the summer here, and the AC wasn't cooling the house that much. The compressor was bad. We had it replaced. We had like 20-30 AC tech guys come and try to help us, but nobody could. It's just this house needs more insulation and it needed a new AC unit. And it's not something that we did right away. We waited, you know, because the season was gonna change. It was gonna be fall, then winter. So we said that'll give us time to save some money to get the AC unit and find someone that we can trust and that's gonna do a good job for us. And so yeah, we went through really hot summers, and then we knocked down the wall in the kitchen. I have pictures of how the kitchen looked like when we first moved here. It was really nice kitchen. It was like a cherry wood kitchen. And this is the fence when my dad and my mom were here. My dad made that fence, and it makes the house look so beautiful. That's all my dad's work. He did a really good job, and the way he works is really good, you know. He does really good quality stuff. My dad is the best. And then this is my mom. She was helping us stain it. My mom works really hard too. Both of my parents are very hardworking. I love them very much. I miss them because they moved. They don't live here where we live. And this is my son in front of the house with the fence already built. And then this is the fireplace that we knocked down. We knocked down the little like sitting area that was made out of brick. And then we took off all the floor. We changed the floor. We put white tile. Well, our friend George, he did it for us. He did a great job too. He helped us out. And then we had to redo the bathroom too because there was mold there. We tore it down, and George helped us with putting the tile in the bathroom. He did a great job there too. We would go to a lot of model homes to get ideas of how to make it look, how to pick the material, you know, how we would want it to end up looking at the end. It was not easy. It was not easy. You know, we've learned a lot. We've met a lot of people, learned a lot about people too, going through all this. And yeah, so we did it in two parts. One major part doing the living room, the kitchen, and the hallway bathroom. And then we took a break. We took a break because it was, you know, it was a lot that we had gone through. So the bedrooms was gonna be for the second part, you know. And we waited, and we did that at afterwards. And we did the hallway bathroom. This is what it looked like. And the fireplace, my husband made it out of a metal frame. We would go to IKEA a lot to, you know, make sure that we had the design, the layout, that we had the right cabinets as we were building the kitchen. And those are the palm trees, 2 big palm trees that we had removed from the front. And they had huge roots. And over here towards the end, there's a photo of how all the dirt and the roots, how they came out from the front yard. So that's how it looked like in here in the kitchen. That's where it, you know, the kitchen where I do my videos for cooking, that's how it used to look like. And then this is the faucet for the bathroom. We put a bathtub in there. This is a photo of all the electrical stuff we bought, because we switched out all the electric wiring in the living area. We put the recessed lighting. This is the kitchen sink. Finally got a kitchen sink. And then my husband you know, put the faucet. He put the garbage disposal. And then Louis got his own little house too. We built him a house. And then, oh yeah, because my husband was like, oh, we have everything brand new in the house. I don't want Louis in here messing it up and, you know, marking his territory. So this is the kitchen. And he wanted, we were doing the top cabinets, and he wanted a black cabinet. And that was a bad idea. We had it and we took it down, we took it back. And then we put some wood shelves right there, which I think are gonna go down because I need another cabinet. Yeah, so another thing we went through, we would get a lot of dumpsters, you know, and then it was so annoying. People would come and put their trash there. That's like one of the landscaper guys from the neighbor getting their landscape maintenance, and then this guy just comes and puts his trash over here in our dumpster. That was wrong. And this is the part 2 where we moved on to the master bedroom bathroom. And then Wellner was doing the demolition. He was taking off all the tile. It had 4x4 little tiles. And then this is the bathroom again, where the sink used to be, the mirror. And then that's him. That's what it looked like. That's what it turned out after. That's what it looks like now with the tile. That's the shower inside. The pebbles. That's Alani washing her hands there. And this is, oh, he did the garage. Yeah, we did the garage. I don't have photos of that, but we removed all the old drywall from the garage. That was something we went really fast, and we didn't record or make a video of that. But then we redid the garage, the drywall, we put carpet, because the concrete is really cracked under there. But we put carpet, and we use it as our gym. We put a washer and dryer in there. And then we did the driveway. That's what the driveway looks like. We put also the walkway to the door. This is the side of the house. Tiny little sidewalk. Well, now it's all concrete. It makes it so much easier to put things there. And then my son's birthday, he turned 14. That's the gym in the garage. We changed the lights also in the front of the house. That's what they looked like before. And this is after. He put them upside down, but I think he already put them the right way. which was not a big deal. They looked good either way. And then our Christmas photo. That's the new gate that he built. It's on the side of the house to make it easier to go to the back, because we've been doing a lot of work in the back now. That's the garage gym. That's all the dirt that we pulled out from the back. All of that. And then we had to open the front fence to get it all out. And this is a video of the AC, how it used to be in the closet, and then how we got it all replaced. The AC, got a new AC on top of the house, so that hallway closet is now gonna be a closet for storage, like a linen storage closet. So yeah guys, this is pretty much what we've done in the past. It's gonna be 3 years worth of work that we've done here, and it's still going, you know. We still have more stuff to do, but I wanted to make this video so that the next ones that I do of the rest of the things that we're gonna be doing to this house is not so overwhelming. I hope you enjoy it, and just stay tuned for the next parts coming up soon. I don't know, maybe within the next year or the next 2 years. I don't know when that's gonna come, but it'll be coming. Because tomorrow we're gonna start another project, and it just keeps going. So yeah, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, and bye bye for now. Bye.